Hey friends, it's Greg from Jammin With You, and today I'm going to tell you about the first thing you got to do when you sit down and play the guitar. Make sure it's in tune. Stick around.
Jammin' with you all day.
Okay, so today I'm going to tell you how to tune your guitar using an electronic tuner. I happen to be using one that's in my phone. You can get it in most any app store, regardless of which type of phone you're using. But they also have standalone electronic tuners. Either way, it all uses the same basic thing, which is a screen which shows you with a little needle going back and forth how close you are to center of the note that you're actually trying to get that string to be. So, check this out.
First, let's make sure we know which tuning peg is attached to which string. Low E, A, D, G, B, and high E. So you can tell as I'm plucking each string that the needle on the tuner is getting closer and closer to center, or 0, which is what I want. And in order to get it there, I'm loosening or tightening each string and continuing to pluck it so that the tuner can tell whether or not I'm getting closer or further from where I want to be.
So that's that. It's simple as can be, and I do it every single time that I'm about to play. Sometimes you end up needing to do it halfway through. You might be playing a song or two, and then it gradually gets out of tune, and you got to get it back in tune. So if you have something like this handy, you've got it in your pocket, be it a standalone or be it in your phone, it's going to get a lot of mileage. Stay tuned for more instructional videos to come. Thanks for watching, and happy playing.